parents help kids develop nga na mga savings habit.
How can
Parents.
parents help develop? Okay, so kato, we need to support them.
Yeah.
Okay? By some, every December, gani, no, start January, magpalit gumi atong akan siya nga piggy bank.
Piggy bank.
Oo, lain-lain color ba? Yellow, pink, green. Oo.
Depende siguro on the color of the
Depende
year.
sa usage ani or color of the year, correct. Or kanang sa ipon challenge ni Singkitan. Oo,
Yes.
so pwede ra jud ang habit na importante. Then next is match their savings. Oh, match their savings meaning for example, if you have 50 pesos, I will give you another 50 pesos.
Yeah.
So kanang idea may apply man nato as kita na adults like sa certain company like here sa among company no na ang imong retirement fund i-double no sa company once you retire. So marag nanay nang idea ba?
Yeah, I think mo na ang provident fund, right?
Yes, provident fund or retirement fund.
So
yes.
like you have a portion of your salary then the company match it para pud kumbaga murag na double.
Yes,
yung
correct.
Save, no?
And also open them a bank account, no? Or open them like for example, UATF pwede man, no, for kuan. Pwede nimo openan og bisan lang dili lang under your name under their name, under your name. Pwede nimo openan og like sa Cebuana.
Yes.
Oo, kung anak akong ipa-openan at least na siya responsibility ba na kini nga man ni pwede na ko ibutan dito.
Like most of the banks karon kung mag-open naman sila kanang gitawag nga junior savings.
Junior savings, right? Yes.
Gamay ra kayo ang from what I know, I think ang minimum nga kanang limit is 500. No, at least na lang dira. So that's one, save na pod, no?
And also another way for the parent to help the child is teach them about goal setting.
Yes.
Like akong daughter, ana siya nga, Daddy, I will buy a camera, no? Then akong siging na mo ni mo hang ganan paliton, pila may price, unsa may buhaton para makuha na nimo. Nya dili diha dayon makuha nimo, so you need to have the discipline to wait and to work for it.
Okay.
Delayed gratification ba?
Yes,
so na siya goal setting. Na siya goal na. Kailangan di kay ko mo gastuan ni because I have a goal na ako i-reach by the end of the year, makapalit ko ani.
Murag ka ng kuha na siya, pwede nimo, I think naabot na siya nga concept kanang kalisa. Kalisa, di ba? Wala man siya.
Right?
Kabayo, ayang matanawan is iya na yung goal. So, magingana ba? Wala siya makita nga mga distractions, so his goal is kato. So, that will create discipline.
There will be distractions, definitely.
Yes.
But your role as a parent or guardian, guide din mo sila nga. Okay, naunsa naman to imuhang goal, di ba? You wanted to have this one, right? So, unsa man, di ba?
Yes.
Usay mo sad itisting, no, kung unsa siya ka consistent.
Or even sa patience, pwede ko musukod. Like, for example, okay, I will give you, let's say, sa pagkaon, no? Tagaanda ka o candy, 1. But if you can wait for 2 minutes, ako nang iduha.
Kato psychology about that, no?
Gingana, no?
And I study,